As you guys can see, we have more than 2 touches right there. I don't know if ever could show you guys with this tool. It's 1 2, we at least have 2 touches, right? So the more when the market touches that area, that is where we're supposed to be expecting buying opportunities, that the market is gonna push towards the upside. And guys, you are not buying anything, guys. You are not selling anything. Simply saying that we are buying, it's a forex term. Or maybe if I'm saying I'm going long, it's a forex term. I'm simply saying that the market from this point is gonna start appreciating. If I'm saying I'm selling or I'm going short, I'm not selling anything. This only means that I'm anticipating that the market is gonna start depreciating, right? So I'm gonna do the exact same thing right above right here using my trend line, right? So I'm gonna locate this high of this first low that I just drew, right? Then I'm gonna connect it with the next areas that has touches on it, right? So now, as you can see, I have 1 2 3 touches. So this means that when the market touches that area, there's a high possibility that the market could be selling at that point. That is where I'm gonna look for selling opportunities. The next tool that I'm gonna be using is called rectangle, right? So rectangle, mainly I use it simply because of let me show you something. Let me delete this. Right here, you will see that I didn't cater for these lows, but I did cater for this one. So this area right here, there's a possibility that the market could stop moving towards the downside, right? So I can't put another horizontal line here, it's gonna be untidy. So what I prefer doing is put a horizontal line and saying that this area is a sensitive area, right? Just gonna combine it with my horizontal line and put it slightly right there, and then remove my horizontal line so that my chart doesn't become too dirty. So that is how I use this one. As for this one, which is a path tool, I already showed you an example of it. With this one, I could be showing you that this is how you use it, just to look at how the market behaves. This might be a possible play for the market, looking for buys, sells, buy, sells, buy, sells, until the market gets to the last point. So that is how I use my path tool most of the time. And then as for the other one, which is called head and shoulders, it's just to identify patterns, right? It's just to identify patterns. But there are some of the things here I didn't add. But this one, it's a bit advanced, guys. We don't want to be discussing that. Maybe one day we'll be discussing patterns, but that tool is mainly for patterns and other tools that I don't see, which I believe that I did add, but in this case I'm not seeing them. So, but are those tools that are horizontal ray? I need that. Let me see. I can't see. Also triangle pattern, we need that. Bars pattern, I need that. Price range, I need that also. Okay, I'm not going. Arrow, I do. And then my circle, I do, and also my triangle, and that should be it. So as for this long position and sell position here, it's just to identify that sellers entered right here, there's a possibility that the market could proceed towards the downside, and your stop loss should be somewhere around there, right? It's just to identify those things, which is also advanced. There are tools here that are advanced. We're gonna be discussing maybe on our MT5. That is mainly for executions, patterns, and entries, right? And then as for this one here, which is a horizontal ray, it's just to it's almost similar to a horizontal line, but mainly I use it if I'm lazy to use horizontal line and have a dirty chart like this. So this one doesn't move from your left to your right, this one moves from your current point to your right, simply like this. You see, this one is a bit much more cleaner, right? So that's the main purpose for that one. And then as for a price range, I'm gonna skip few of those so that we can discuss them on our advanced class, right? So with this one, buzz pattern, so this one here is just to copy, right? It's just to copy this movement right here. And the main reason why I want to be doing that, I'm gonna click on those three dotted lines and I'm gonna say mirrored, right? Then I'm gonna take this same and I'm gonna put it slightly right here, which helps me to a bit anticipate on how this market has a potential of moving towards the downside. I'm hoping that it's gonna move almost similar as it's moving towards the downside, right? So that is that. And then we have a price range. A price range is just for me to understand that from this highest point to my current point, how many percent did the market move. So the market moved minus 3%, so gold lost 3% in the past, I think past week, which is last week, from Monday until Friday. So that is that. And then an arrow, if I don't want to use a past tool, I will say that I'm expecting the market to actually drop, right? An arrow it has the same function as your path tool, right? And then as for your circle and your triangle, those are advanced. That is for market execution. We don't want to be discussing that here. This is mainly for beginners purposes. So that is how you use your trading view. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the class.